Exercise 11.9, question number 1. Find the distance of the point P from the line L in the following cases. First part. Point is given 3, minus 5, P, 3, minus 5, and line is given 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. So perpendicular distance from this point on this line is given by distance is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. This is the equation given in form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation, and this is the point P, x1, y1. Perpendicular distance from this point on this line. Perpendicular distance, I am writing small d, is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. So I will write 3 into x, that is what? At the place of x I will write x1, so 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 5 minus 26 upon root of a square plus b square. So plus 3 square plus b is what? Minus 4 whole square. So you will get 9 minus plus 4 5 is 20 minus 26 mod upon root of 3 square 9 plus 16, that is root of 25, 9 plus 20, 29 minus 26, that is 3 upon mod of 3 upon root of 25, that is 5, mod of 3. This is what? 3 by 5 units. Answer is what? Perpendicular distance from this point on this line is given by 3 by 5 units. Now part second. Part second, you can see point is given 3, minus 1, P, 3, minus 1, and equation is given line 2x is equal to 5y plus 7. 2x is equal to 5y plus 7. So I can write 2x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from this point on this line is given by d is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon mod of root of a square plus b square. So perpendicular distance will be what? First write 2. At the place of x you have to write x1, y1. These values you have to substitute. So 2 into 3 minus 5 into y minus 1 minus 7 upon root of 2 square plus this b is what? Minus 5, so minus 5. So 2 3 is 6, 6 minus plus 5 plus minus 7. 6 plus 5 minus 5 into minus 1 is what? Plus 5. Plus 5 minus 7 upon root of 2 square, that is 4 plus 25, that is root of 29. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 minus 7, that is what? 4, mod of 4, 4 upon root of 29 units. Answer is 4 upon root 29 units. 1 minute, I have a mistake here. It is not 2x, sir, it is 12x. It is what? 36. 36 plus 5 is what? 41. 41 minus 7 is what? 34. And here it is what? 12 square. So it is 144 plus 25. That is what? 160. And so this is what? 13. So 34 by 13 units. 34 by 13 units. Is that clear? Now, next part, third part. Third part, you can see point is given minus 1, 1, and line is given 12 x plus 6 is equal to 5 y minus 2. So I will solve and reduce the equation in form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first I will write 12x plus 72, 12x plus 12c plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10. 12x plus 72, this will come this side, so minus 5y minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10, that is plus 82 is equal to 0. This is form what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You have to find the perpendicular distance from this point on this line. It is given by d is equal to mod of 12 into, at the place of x you have to write x1, at the place of y you have to substitute y1. So 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 upon root of 12 square plus minus 5 whole square. 12 into minus 1, that is minus 12, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5 plus 82 upon root of 12 square, that is 144 plus 25, that is 169. So minus 12 minus 5, that is minus 17. Minus 17 plus 8, minus 17 plus, it is 82. Minus 17 plus 82, what will come? Minus 17 plus 82, it is minus 65. Mod of minus 65 upon root of 169. So mod of minus 65, modulus value will be positive only, so negative of 65 will be positive of 65 upon 13. So 13 5 is 65. So answer is 5 units. Now fourth part. Fourth part, you can see point is given P 0, 0 and line is given H x plus H x plus H plus K y plus K is equal to 0. So I will reduce this equation in the form Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0. So I will write Hx plus H square plus Ky plus K square is equal to 0. So Hx plus Ky plus H square plus K square is equal to 0. So you can see this is form what? Ax plus this form is By plus this I can write C. So here Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0. This is in this form, reduced in this form. So perpendicular distance will be what? H into, at the place of x I write 0 plus K into 0 plus H square plus K square upon root of A square plus B square. So here at the place of A it is H and at the place of B it is K. So I write H square plus K square. H into 0, 0 plus K into 0, 0. So you get here H square plus K square. That is the modulus value upon root of H square plus K square. So H square plus K square. Modulus value will be positive only upon root of H square plus K square. So this is root H square plus K square and this is H square plus K square. So I can write what? Root of H square plus K square into root of H square plus K square upon root of H square plus K square. So one, this cancels, answer is root of H square plus K square units. This is the answer. Thank you.